Toast is definitely a special food for a lot of people all over the world. Most people do not have a toaster or don't have the convenience to use one. Are you going to deny yourself a delightful taste of a toasted bread? Absolutely not. How do you toast bread without a toaster? There are other ways you can make your toast without using a toaster. Here are a few methods and tips. 1. Toaster oven method. This is otherwise called the slow toasting method of making toast. Preheat the toaster oven to a temperature of about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and turn the dial to the toast setting. At this temperature, you can easily control the heat and reduce the cooking time. Lay the bread on a baking sheet or place them directly on the toaster oven rack in the center of the appliance. Then toast for about 10 minutes, flipping the bread when it is almost cooked. You either remove the toast when it is golden brown, or you leave it to cook more if you prefer a darker and crispier toast. Remove the baking sheet from the toaster oven and add your favorite toppings. Then serve immediately. 2. Broiling method. This is a faster method of making toast in a toaster oven. It involves the use of the broiler setting in your toaster oven. Broiling gives a crunchy and crispy toast within a short time. Set your toaster oven to the broil settings. Place the bread on a baking sheet or pan. Turn on the toaster oven and put the baking sheet on the topmost rack closest to the broiler in the appliance. Toast for about 2 minutes or until the toast is golden brown and crispy. However, care must be taken when toasting bread using the broiler settings. This is because the top rack is directly under the broiler or heating element and so receives a lot of heat. You must closely watch the bread and flip to the other side, otherwise, your toast will get burnt. 3. Stovetop grill method. This is simple to use. Reduce the heat from the stove to medium heat. Then place your bread slices on top of a stovetop grill grates over the flame. Toast the bread until it is crispy and golden brown. The grill method is unique because it produces one of the best toasts and the grill marks on the toast is beautiful. Remove from grill and add your favorite toppings. You can also be creative and add as many condiments as you desire. The goal is to make really delicious and crunchy toast. 4. Camp stove or fire method. This involves the use of special gadgets called the camp stove toaster and campfire toaster respectively. Camp stove toaster is useful for making toast bread when you don't have a toaster at home, and you want to toast your bread. While the campfire toaster makes great toast when you go for a camping or a hike where you cannot use a toaster. Both gadgets toast bread well enough in place of a perfect toast from a toaster. Load a camp stove toaster with bread and put the gadget over a medium flame on your stovetop. This method requires that you use sliced bread, otherwise the bread will not evenly toast. You can toast up to 4 slices of bread per time using the camp stove toaster. The campfire toaster is also a good alternative. For campfire toaster, simply make a fire with wood and other kindling materials. Load this gadget and toast bread just the way you like it and serve. You can also make toast in a frying pan or skillet, flipping them at intervals until the bread is perfectly brown. Always make sure you regulate the heat on your stovetop to the lowest minimum so that your bread doesn't get burnt. Finally, do not press down your bread too hard when making your toast in a frying pan. This can break your bread into pieces or make it crumble. Did you find this video helpful? Kindly click the subscribe button below and turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to see our updates. Also, leave your feedback, questions, or suggestions so we'll know your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimtoasters.com for more content like this. Thanks for watching.